Hello, my name is Irvin Miliano, and I'm the assistant pastor of Iglesia Cristiana Nuevo Comienzos in Wilkesboro, Pennsylvania. And this is to give a review on the Audiofusion in-ear monitor system. We're a small Spanish church in the heart of Wilkesboro, Pennsylvania. And even though we're a small church, we have about 5 musicians and we have 9 singers, and we have front monitors, floor wedges, and for 9 people, that would be 4 and 4 and the main lead singer. It's a little tough when all the voices get all together in the stage, but I've been looking for solutions for the past couple of years. I'll say 4 to 5 years. I've been looking for any solution on solving that issue, but it's too expensive. I play different instruments, and I have it right here in my car. The Shure PSM 300. I bought this about 3 years ago from a company, and I paid almost $900, $800 something, $900. But now I've been watching, and for the last year I stumbled around Audiofusion, and I've been trying it out, doing different things. It's hard. It's a little hard for a church to do the transition. But in the past month and a half, I said I gotta commit to it, because we want to add clicking tracks at the end of the year, and we want all the musicians and the singers to have it. And the best thing for Audiofusion, besides the price, which you guys know what it is, besides the price, is that you have a stereo in ear, which in a regular mixer, digital mixer, we own actually the Soundcraft SI Impact, which it has 14 aux out, but we eat up most of those channels between the main speakers and the floor wedges and all that. We don't have enough channels. Imagine to give stereo channels, stereo or aux to anyone. You can't. But now with this, pretty much you solved, because then you can pan to the left side, the click, the tracks, or so the instrument, and then you can have yourself in the right or something in the center. You have, you know what I mean, anything you want. So Audiofusion have come up, and it's been a lifesaver. Your performers, they have to adapt to the new system, and for us, we already tried out, and that's one of the things that we did. Is I've been putting some musicians and some performers, singers actually, to test it, and it's something different for them. But hey, they say that they can hear themselves now. All in all, an awesome product. Quality, sound, and customer service. Just to tell you, I sent an email, and 2 minutes later, the person called me back. 2 minutes after I sent the email. That's customer service. I'm actually going to bring you to the church in a little bit and show you how we're using it. And we're planning, right now we have 2 licenses, and my plan is in the next couple of weeks is to complete and get the rest of them. We need 9 in total, so we have 2 for now, and then we have 7 more to go. But I've been doing all the investigation, the routing, the routers, and all the changing the settings, which I encounter a few things. There's guys that have been helping us in the forum. So if you don't sign up for that forum, for that Facebook page for Audiofusion, you got to do it, because between routers, questions you have, how to set up. Now Audiofusion it's been great, putting up videos on how to do things. It's a big help. So I bring you for a few minutes into our church and just show you how we're doing it. So we'll do that next. Thank you. These are our floor wedges that we use, 2 on this side and 2 more on this side. There's 4 singers in this side and another 4 on that side, and then the lead singer. And lastly, this is our setup. This is our mixer, the SI Impact, and we're sending the channels via USB from the option card that the mixer has, and we feed it into this MacBook Pro. And I have a bigger panel, a bigger monitor, so I can see more. I can actually see the 16 channels that we are using. Out of the 32, we're using the last 16. And I had to do some configuration in the mixer. So as you can see, I have all the channels here listed from 17 to 32. Those are the ones that I'm using. And like I said, this has been a game changer for us. And with these 2 licenses, we started. I did my digging around, and I was able to get everything necessary. Here's the router. This is the router that we're using, the 5000, the Linksys. Awesome router. Signal goes across our sanctuary, which is almost 100 feet away or more. It goes right through. Eventually, I'm gonna be putting that router all the way down to the stage, so we can have better reception and everything. But as of now, I haven't got no problem with the reception. Definitely good product. Good product. And just as a final note, very happy with the product. Affordable, and it's amazing. Having the dual stereo, it makes a huge difference. I actually spoke to my wife, which is the lead singer in the church, and she told me she had a few little things that she still has to learn on the program, on the actual phone that we use, the iPhone 6 Plus. But another singer, which he was testing it yesterday too, he said it's amazing, that it's just getting used to it. And the one thing that I say, on the phones, you have to make sure that location services is off. Under privacy, location services is off, and it's on airplane mode. That's a must. If not, you're gonna get a lot of stuttering and jittering and crazy stuff going on with the phone. But once those 2 settings are off, amazing. So thank you so much, Audiofusion, for coming up with this product for the churches, for the house of worship. And I tell you, it's amazing. That's all I can say. God bless.